Step number 1, log into the website. Step number 2, collect a few emails. On step number 3, cash out your earnings every single day. How's it going, guys? My name is Alex, and today I'm going to show you how you can make up to $4 every 10 seconds simply by collecting emails. And if you want me to inform you about the latest ways to make money online, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification bell so I can alert you on the latest ways to make money online. Now, before I talk about this method, I would like to make a disclaimer that results are not typical and you may make more or less depending on how much you work, but what I can't assure is that you will not make any money if you do not follow every single step. So to avoid that, make sure you stick to the end of the video, because one small mistake could cost you to leave a lot of money on the table. Anyways, without further ado, let's begin. Now, before I actually get into the method, I would like you guys to take a look at this. So, I'm right here, I'm on Google Trends right now, and if you don't know what Google Trends is, it's basically a tool that Google uses to basically track down how often a specific keyword is being searched. And this is really helpful for business owners, because now they can see what's being in demand and what isn't. So right here on Google Trends, I just searched up sports betting, and you can see that earlier this year, because of this lockdown, no sports were being broadcasted, which means that the interest in sports betting is low, very low. But as you can see here, in late June and early July, when sports started to come back, there was soon a big spike in interest. And now obviously it died a little bit, but I honestly think this interest will start spiking again once more sports comes back. Now why am I showing you this? It's because we're actually going to be promoting a sports betting website that will pay us $4 for every person we refer to the website. So basically, whenever someone who clicks on your link goes onto the website and puts in the information like the email and stuff, you'll get paid $4. This is sort of like affiliate marketing, which no, it is affiliate marketing. Now, this is one of those low ticket affiliate marketing offers. So I'm going to show you how to get to it, and I'm going to show you how to get clicks to people who are actually interested in sports betting, and I'm going to show you how to make money. So I'm going to show you how to cash out. So now the website we want to go to is called OfferVault. I'll go ahead and leave a link to the description below, and once you click on the link, you should be on a page that looks a little bit like this. Now, what do you want to do? Now, sorry, before I actually show you what to do, I'd like to explain what OfferVault is. So OfferVault is one of those affiliate networks that basically where a bunch of people who own, businesses or websites, they put the offer right here, and when we promote it and get a sale, we actually get paid a commission. Now, in our case, we will be paying $4 for every person that signs up with our link. Alright, so to get to that offer, just go ahead and go on the search bar and search up Bovada, sorry. And just go ahead and do that. As you can see here, this one's it's a sports betting website, and it'll pay you $4, and the type is a CPA, which I will explain what it is in a second. But just go ahead and click on this, and then once you do, you should get onto a page that looks a little bit like this. Now, what CPA is, it's basically where if someone puts their email in, or if they just signs up, you get paid. They don't have to even interact with the app, which, I mean, they probably would, because and I'll show you why in a second. But if they don't, you're still gonna get paid. Now, so basically, what are you gonna do moving forward? You're gonna have to click on the join network, and when you do, you'll get into a page that looks a little bit like this. Just go and fill out all the information. It shouldn't take very long, but just go ahead and do it, and then after that, you'll go ahead and get a link. Now, before I show you how to actually get traffic from people who are actually interested in this, I thought let's go ahead and take a look at this website. So if you can see here, I hope the slideshow does not continue without my permission. You can see that everyone who signs up will get a $250 welcome bonus to bet on sports. So if someone's actually interested in sports betting, most likely they're going to sign up. That's why I really love this affiliate offer. You're going to get so many people clicking. And another reason why I really like this is because there's so many options. I mean, there's football, there's basketball, there's baseball, there's soccer, there's even boxing, and there's even esports and virtual sports like 2K and FIFA. So I'm pretty sure just about everyone who's actually has some interest in this sports betting would look into this. Now I'm actually going to show you how you can actually get into this. So basically, what's going to happen is that we're going to go ahead and go on Facebook and copy and paste a simple script that I'm going to provide for you guys. Let's go ahead and look at the script. I just typed this out. I'm going to go ahead and read it, and I'm going to explain why I wrote this. Alright, so I typed, attention, #1 brand new sports betting algorithm has just released. People are winning checks daily. Plus, you get a $250 credit for logging in. On comment info if you're interested. And then I also put a image of a middle-aged man, and the reason why I decided to do that is because genuinely middle-aged people are usually more likely to have the money to bet. And let's get real here, most of the time, if you think about it, most of the time it's the guys who want to sports bet, who are more into sports betting. And also, just a disclaimer, I think you guys have noticed I don't actually speak English at home. I'm not good at English. It's just something I've learned in a couple of years. Just bear with me. Don't roast me in the comments, please. Yeah. Alright, so anyways, so the reason why I typed I put plus you get a $250 credit is because I want people to know that you're getting a lot out of this. You're getting a lot. There's a reason to bet on here rather than somewhere else. Now, I also put comment info if interested. Make sure you have that because a lot of groups on Facebook do not like it when you just spam, when you just click an affiliate link. They hate it because they think you're taking advantage of them. But to get around that, just comment info, and then the people, when they comment info, just go ahead and either comment the link or reply to it, or you can DM it to them or whatever you want. And this script is free for you to use. You can go ahead and pause this video and go ahead and copy it. I don't mind. And yeah, so now I'm going to show you how you can actually get people who are interested. So let's go on Facebook. You can go and search up sports betting, and as you can see, there's so many groups. Now, obviously, a lot of these are private groups, so you're gonna have to take some time to join them. But just look at these. This group has 5.8 thousand members. This one's got 16 members. This one has 2,000 members. Let's say out of all of these, let's just say out of all 3 of these groups, you get a total of 1,000 clicks. That's 4,000. Sorry, not 1,000 clicks. 1,000 people signing up out of over 25,000 people on here. No, I can't do math. Over 20,000 people, because like over here, it's probably over 20,000 people combined in all 3 of these groups. Let's say 1,000 people added together in all 3 of them ends up signing up to your website. That is $4,000. All right, so I'm actually gonna go ahead and pick one specific group that I really like, and it's this one. It's got 149,000 people. Alright, out of all those, how many people do you think are actually gonna be clicking on your link? At least 10,000 people. Alright, I think this group is very active. Yeah, I think this is a really active group. And but something else I'd like to know is that this is a group for free sports betting tips. So I think what this group is going to be doing is they're going to introduce betting, like new bets, like new bets. It's what basically people who actually watch sports would tell you which bets to pick, and most of the time they'll be correct, and then that will make you some money. And so I highly recommend you guys to put this link in this group, and I'll actually leave a link in this description, so you guys can go ahead and put your links into this group, because then you can guarantee people who wants to make money from sports betting would click on this group. Alright, so that's pretty much all I have today. Hope you guys got something out of this video. Hope you guys found this information somewhat helpful, where you can actually make some money. And I'll see you guys next time.